Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening all. Yes, today I'll be giving the questions. So we'll continue with the questions. So yesterday we have solved the question paper, right? I hope it is clear. The yesterday's one, and hope you guys are doing well. And I don't see many of you are not submitting submitting the worksheet. All right. So please, I would tomorrow is the last day to submit to both the worksheets. I have given the two worksheets, if I'm not wrong. Am I right? Am I correct? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So I would request every one of you that please submit the worksheet by tomorrow. Tomorrow you have to submit it and just tell me that yes sir, have submitted. So or else guys, definitely I'll remove you out of the meeting, out of the meeting if you're not submitting. So yeah, until and unless you get a permission from your parent, I will not uh, accept here, and that I would not accept to join in the class. So tomorrow is the last date. I have given enough time. Why? Because yeah, I have given enough time to just go through that so that you understand the process and get the time, enough time, and solve that. Yes, you got enough time. So even
So you mean the surface area and volume 1?
yes, whatever the worksheet you left with pending worksheet, you have to solve that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everyone, look at this, guys. Remember one thing: strict condition. I'm telling you, there is a strict and very important condition. Everyone should submit by tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow. If not, you will not be allowed. Not allowed to the class. Okay. Not allowed to the class. If you get a permission from your parent, you'll be getting allowed. Please. So uh, don't just pull that till that situation. Don't pull that to till that incident. Please make sure that you hope you understand and just submit it to me by tomorrow. Okay. So next question. The question. Everyone look at this. Solve this question. Only look at this here. Hereafter, I'll be giving only for every question only 1 minute of time. 1 minute of time and tell me the answer. Less than 1 minute if you're telling, I'll be pretty happy. If you're not solving within a minute, I'll go for the solution. Yes, as a teacher, as I should give you the time to solve. So it would be like yeah. Do you want me to give the just 1 minute? Do you want me to give the time or you want me to solve myself? Tell me which one you want me to do.
So give the time.
Time, sir, time.
Yes,
Time.
that is what that is what the competitive spirit is all about. So who is giving, then only I can come to know that yes, who is solving, who is not solving, like who is capable of solving, who is not having caliber to solve. I can just focus on that. That is the reason. If I simply teach, you will copy that. There is no point of doing that. So yes, please do this question, make it fast. Only 1 minute after your time starts now. Yes, someone of you calling me. Yes, guys, you just do your job. Someone of you calling. Yes.
Actually, sir, there is only one worksheet given, sir. There is no other worksheet in
Only
Google
worksheet.
Classroom.
Is it so?
Yeah, sir. In Google Classroom, there is only one. Heron's formula.
Acha, for no, for
Sir, can you show the question, please?
yeah. If
So if you
not,
want, you
We
can
have
check.
4 worksheets, sir, in total.
yeah. So yes, that is 1 second, just a minute. I think my class 10th also don't know. 1 second. Let me check. I think if I'm sure that
Yeah, sir. I think there are 5 of them.
no, I am sure that I have given the worksheet to you all. But you are saying that yes, look at this here, surface areas and volume. Arey beta,
So
dekho.
the last worksheet was given on 26th November.
26 November. That worksheet one thing. अच्छा उसमें ही guys, in that itself I think I have given 2 worksheet, only one worksheet. एक मिनट देखेंगे उसको एक बार. हाँ, here you have questions. How many questions you have here? Like you have 37 questions you have. इसमें कितना? 37 questions. So yes, this is sufficient for you to. Okay. So you submit this worksheet tomorrow. 37 question. Every question you have to submit me tomorrow. 37 question. This worksheet deadline is tomorrow. Okay. And 37 question. 26th I posted. Today is 7, which means how many days? 11 days. So 11 5 is 55. If every day if you solve 55 problems, you would have solved. But I have given enough time. Okay. So tomorrow is the deadline. Everyone should submit. Those who are not submitting, so that is the time is there. So tomorrow again,
Sir,
you
I've
can,
already submitted that worksheet.
okay, those who have already submitted beta, for them I'll be giving a fresh worksheet today. Okay, all right. I'll
Sir,
be
that
giving,
worksheet, you'll give the due date, right? In that only.
yeah. Tomorrow need not to submit, that worksheet which I'm going to post today, need not to submit by tomorrow itself, that one. That, I'll give a time, I'll extend the time. But the worksheet which I have given earlier, that you need to submit by tomorrow. All right. Okay. Hope it is clear with everyone.
Yes,
Sir, can you show the PDF again for the worksheet?
Yes, you can just go through it. I just, I
No,
need
sir,
to,
once.
this is a worksheet. I just given answers as well, but I'll check each and every one's in bracket answers also mentioned, guys. That is answers, whichever they have mentioned inside the bracket, that is answer. So you need to tally with your answer. It is not that simply question, need not to write the question again. Put the question number, just solve it and show the answer to me. It is not the case that simply you're writing the question number and simply copying the just answer. Okay. अच्छा, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है, रेडियस पूछा है, तो r इज इक्वल 5 सर, खत्म, आंसर खत्म, ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए. ऐसा आई वोंट एक्सेप्ट दैट. एवरीवन शुड सॉल्व इट and just I should see that where is your rough paper, how did you calculate. I should see that clearly. I should once I check, I should feel that yes, he has solved clearly. It is not that you simply just someone has submitted. Who's that? Aditi has submitted. Just a minute, देखो एक बार. I can't open this. Aditi, what happened?
So I've submitted just now, sir.
Sir, I guess she didn't give an assignment, like she didn't attach some file or something.
Yes बेटा, आपको अटैच करना है बेटा, ठीक है.
Sir, like I've attached the file, sir.
Can you please reattach it again tomorrow or
Yes.
like today?
Sir, I'm done with the question you have shared.
So could you please share the question again? Like
Yeah,
the
sure.
one.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. There is a question. Sorry to
I'm done with
interrupt.
this question, sir.
Yes, very good, Kavya. Sorry to interrupt here again. The boys and girls presented over here that, see, I would request you that, so tomorrow is the deadline to submit the worksheet. Hope it is clear. Sai Ramachandra, Devasri, they have joined now. So I'm requesting every one of you here that tomorrow is the deadline to submit your worksheet. 37 questions. If you are not submitting a worksheet, so you have to get a permission from your parent. Then only I'm going to allow you for tomorrow's class. All right. Hope it is clear with everyone. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Each and every student here, I'm just telling you repeatedly again and again, please understand this. Submit the worksheet tomorrow. If not, you will face the consequences. Solve this question. Those who have solved this question, yes, please post your answers in the chat box. Don't reveal your answer. Those who have done, just go
Sir?
go for the next question. Yes, Aditi, tell me.
Sir, it's taking a lot of time for the PDF to be attached, sir. Like if it's not coming in the Google Classroom, shall I send you on WhatsApp?
You can submit on WhatsApp as well, right?
Yeah, sir.
Sir, what is the question number in the question number of the length of all is 18 meter and the width is 12 meter
अरे भाई,
question?
क्वेश्चन नंबर छोड़ो, कुछ भी लिख लो, जस्ट यू पुट क्वेश्चन नंबर एज पर योर ऑर्डर. क्वेश्चन नंबर तो छोड़ो, क्वेश्चन नंबर से क्या लेना देना है, क्वेश्चन नंबर से क्या करना है आपको, बताओ मुझे. भार्गव, व्हाट वुड यू डू विद द क्वेश्चन नंबर?
Sir, I need to indicate that this is
No,
the answer
indicate
for
as per your
this
question. Indicate, if you have done with the 5 question, indicate that as 6. As you follow your order, need not to follow my order. क्वेश्चन नंबर कुछ भी हो सकता है. मैंने आई जस्ट टेक रैंडम क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, समझ में आया?
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है
समझ में आया.
अब. अच्छा, भार्गव तो हिंदी अच्छा बोल रहा है. तो भार्गव का नाम कुछ था, क्या था भार्गव आपका नाम?
सर भार्गव सर.
ना, वो एग्जाम के समय आप कुछ नाम देता था ना, मास्टर क्या
Boss.
होता है?
Boss, sir.
बॉस को तो हिंदी में
सर वो
आता है.
एग्जाम नहीं सर, फ्यूचर सर.
ठीक है. आंसर, व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन? टेल मी.
Sir, 21.6.
7.2 meters.
Yes, great. How many of you solved? Can you please raise your hands? How many of you solved? What is height you got? What is the height you got?
Sir, I got 21.6, sir.
21.6.
Yes, sir.
How many of you got 21.6?
Sir, can you give me 1 minute?
Sir, I didn't get sir.
please. 21 point I feel is wrong. I will like somewhere calculation mistake, but let's check. Every one of you, please 7 point many of so Bhargav, you are right. पीयूष कुछ गलत कर दिया आपने, प्रणव कुछ गलत कर दिया. देखो what he has given here, the length of the hall is 18 meters, width 12. ठीक है, एक मिनट क्या हो रहा है भाई? What's happening here? I'm not able to write. Okay. हाँ, width 12. The sum of the areas of the floor, sum of the, understand the language of the question. Sum of the areas of the floor and flat roof is equal to the sum of the areas of the four walls. Find the height of the hall. I don't know what is height here. Let's say that height is equal क्या मानते हैं हम लोग, h मानते हैं. ठीक है, we need to find out here. ठीक है, length given, what he has given, length how much, 18 meters, and b value given how much, 12 meters. Width मतलब width और breadth both same ही होता है. ठीक है, what is the condition given, the sum of the areas of the floor, sum of the areas of the floor and the flat roof is equal to sum of the areas of the four walls. ठीक है, ये जो टॉप ये जो बॉटम होता है ना, ये दोनों मिला के the top one the bottom one together gives you the values of these four walls. 1 2 3 4. ठीक है, आपको समझ, imagine guys, imagine here the top, ये जो टॉप वाला ये जो बॉटम वाला दोनों मिला के this top and bottom is equal to sum of the four sides of the wall, sum of the areas of the four walls. तो which मतलब क्या होता है, surface area of the so surface area of the floor and roof wala, what would happen, what is that, what is surface area, length into breadth.
It shall be
I have
12.
to like this and right 2, so 2 LB, so 2 into L 18 into breadth, तो कितना मिलेगा 24, तो
432.
432 मीटर स्क्वायर बेटा. ठीक है, ये होगा मेरा मीटर स्क्वायर. तो व्हाट यू नीड टू फाइंड, दिस वन इज इक्वल टू किसके बराबर दिया है, सम ऑफ
2L plus BH.
The lateral surface area.
Yes, sir. 2L plus BH.
यस लैटरल सरफेस एरिया, सरफेस एरिया 4 वॉल्स कितना होता है, 4 वॉल्स, तो कितना होगा 4 वॉल्स,
2h multiplied
The
by
2h into L minus B.
Whole H.
2h multiplied by L plus B.
2 times of
Yes.
L
Into
plus
L
B
plus B.
into H, which means 2H
Yes,
L
sir.
plus B. हाँ, 2 times of, which means 2 times of H L plus B. ठीक है, हाँ, तो जो इसको थोड़ा बना दीजिए अभी, हाइट मुझे
Okay, so
फाइंड
let
आउट करना है.
2h into L plus B is
हाँ.
equal to 432.
हाँ, ये कितना आएगा, 18 plus 30, 18 plus 12 30, राइट. सो ये कितना मिलेगा मुझे,
Yes, sir.
मीटर
60.
स्क्वायर. तो देखो ये कितना मिलेगा मुझे, सो दिस व्हाट ही हैज गिवन, अच्छा ये 60H इसको,
Sir, I'm getting here as 7.2, sir.
yes right answer, but you have given 1 I think.
Yes, 7.2, sir.
yes देखो ये किसका बराबर है, ये दोनों बराबर है, दैट इज व्हाट ही हैज गिवन. ये 4 वाल का सरफेस एरिया एंड वो जो टॉप एंड बॉटम का सरफेस एरिया दोनों बराबर है, दैट इज व्हाट ही हैज गिवन, बोथ आर
Yes.
इक्वल. सो 432, तो इसको कैंसिल करो बेटा, क्या मिलेगा मुझे, देखो 61 60, देखो 61, मैंने आपको तरीका बताता हूँ कैसा करना है इसको. 61 60, सो 60 कितना टाइम पे जाएगा, 67,
7.
तो 7 से कितना 420 हो जाएगा, तो कितना बचेगा मुझे, 12 बचेगा.
120.
60 में नहीं जाएगा तो 62. देखो कितना आसान है,
7.2.
नीड नॉट टू कैलकुलेट. अरे यार एलकेजी बच्चा था रहा, अरे 2 3 जा 0 लिखो, फिर 15, फिर 5 3, ऐसा नहीं, ऐसे मत करना. ठीक है, सो इफ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट द आंसर क्विकली, देन दिस इज द वे यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट. आपको समझ में आ रहा है हाउ आई एम कैलकुलेटिंग बेटा, देखो एवरीवन. देवाश्री, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट हियर, 67 कितना 420, so 12 remainder, so I need to put a decimal here, so I can write 0 here, 62.
Yes, sir. Getting sir.
Very good. So 62 meters, therefore height is going to be kitna beta, 7.2 meter. Am I going fast? If I'm going fast, please let me know that sir you are going fast. Can you go slow?
Like I cancel it to the simplest and then 36 by 5.
कोई बात नहीं भाई, कैसे भी कर सकते हो,
7.2.
कोई भी कर, कुछ भी कर सकते हो, मगर आंसर सेम ही आना चाहिए क्लास. मगर मैंने तरीका बता रहा हूँ कैसे हम लोग क्विकली, हाउ क्विकली यू कैन सॉल्व द आंसर, मैंने तरीका बता रहा हूँ. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 1 मिनट के अंदर बाय 5:50 यू नीड टू टेल द आंसर.
I already solved this question, so I sent you the answer.
I didn't get you.
So I'm saying I already solved the question, so I sent you the.
You have
So,
already solved it. Very good. Very
even
good.
me.
Very good. Very good. Very good. No problem. No problem. That's great.
So are these from the worksheet?
No, 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 no. These are from Adi Sharma actually. See, this all the questions whichever we are solving, this gives you that much confidence to solve your any kind of competitive or any kind of like an MCQ question. But term to syllabus would be like subject to type of, right? तो आपको थोड़ा उस तरीके से करना पड़ेगा.
Can you scroll down to the next question?
देखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नीचे ही दिख रहा है आपको. दिख रहा नहीं क्या? Each edge of cube is increased by 50%, then percentage increase in the surface area of the cube क्या होता है? Time up. क्या हुआ भाई? No one has told the answer. No one has given the answer. Yes. How many have you done this?
Sir, I got a
I'm
very
not
long answer, sir.
Sorry.
Yes, I'm just
I
checking.
got a very long answer.
Okay. What is that? No problem. Tell me. No problem. Whatever it is.
Sir, message you the answer, sir. 64,800.
कॉस्ट कितना है? 64,800. रॉन्ग आंसर बेटा. देखो इसको हम लोग, आपने कहाँ गलती किया है? देखो कैलकुलेशन में भी.
Sir, it is 54,000. sir.
ग्रेट. 54,000. Let's check it
No,
out.
sir, no, sir. 5,400.
Yeah, 5400 you can say.
Yes.
So
sir.
Hamid has built a cubical water tank with a lid for his house. Each edge is 1.5 meter long. He gets the outer surface of the tank, excluding the base, covered with the covered with the square tiles of size 25 centimeters. Acha. So find how much he would spend for the tiles if the cost of the tile is this much per dozen. Dozen कितना? 360 रुपीज. तो एक टाइल कितना होगा? 30 रुपीज. isn't it? डजन के लिए 300, लेकिन वन डजन 360, तो वन टाइल कॉस्ट हाउ मच? 30 रुपीज. तो देखो एक बार हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको थोड़ा ऐसा. हाँ, व्हाट ही हैज गिवन? एड्ज. एड्ज मतलब क्यूबिकल टैंक है ना, क्यूबिकल टैंक. तो एड्ज कितना दिया? 1.5 क्यूबिकल.
Yes, sir, I got 5,400.
तो cube, right? So what is the area?
It's a square.
Sir, it should be 5a square because it's excluding the base.
Excluding the base,
Base.
right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
he
sir,
gets
5,400 rupees.
look at this here. He gets the outer surface of the tank excluding the base. outer surface. भाई टैंक को कवर नहीं कर सकते ना, तो ऊपर नीचे नहीं है, तो 4 वाल है. So 4 sides I have here. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? ये टैंक, ये सम्प ऐसा टैंक है, तो ये क्या होता है? बेस ही इज नॉट इंक्लूडिंग, राइट? isn't it? The base part is not
Yes,
including.
sir.
तो कितना आ जाएगा मुझे? तो 1 2 3 4 दीवार है ना मेरे पास, तो एरिया ऑफ 4 दीवार.
Sir, but he also has a lid, right?
हाँ,
He also has a lid, right?
what he has given again, he gets outer surface.
Water tank with lid.
कहाँ दिया? हाँ जा, Hamid has built a cubicle tank with a lid for his house.
Yes, sir. So
हाँ,
it
with
will
the
be
lid.
5, right?
लिड का मतलब क्या होता है, बताओ मुझे. लिड,
So like on top is also included, right? That's what I'm saying.
सॉरी.
So the top part is also included.
अच्छा, लिड का मतलब उसका ऊपर कवर बोल रहे हो आप, उसका
Yes, sir.
कवर या लिड. He has built a cubicle tank with a lid for his house. Cubicle tank with a lid for his house. Cubicle tank. अच्छा देखो 5, तो 5, so 5 साइड्स हो जाएगा, तो 5,
Yes, sir. 5a square.
तो 5a square, then 5 into 1.5 whole square मतलब 2.25,
Yes, sir. 11.25.
4 into 2.25,
So 5, sir.
sorry, 5 into, so 225 into 5 how much?
It will be 11.25.
11.25 meters square.
Yes, sir.
So this is what I got. अच्छा, ऊपर वाला भी लिड से कवर किया तो ऊपर भी इंक्लूड करना है. सो यस, लिड का मतलब होता है इसका ढक्कन, हम लोग ढक्कन बोलते हैं ना, ढक्कन. ढक्कन का मतलब समझते हो ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just the covering.
cover the
covering.
ढक्कन అంటే మూత उसका, like you know that covering part.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा मेरा, क्या हो जाएगा, एरिया ऑफ दैट फुल वन, एरिया ऑफ दैट क्यूबिकल टैंक फुली. देन he has given what tile का edge, tile covered with a square tiles side. एक साइड कितना होता है 25 ना. देखो 25 सेंटीमीटर दिया है guys, here we have in meters, so they has given in centimeters. What is that? Square tile, right? Square tile, how much? 25 centimeter. What is the meter? 0.25 meter, right? Isn't it? ऐसा ना बेटा?
Yes, sir.
तो एरिया कितना हो जाएगा?
So 0.0625.
हाँ, area of the one tile. One tile मतलब एरिया is a square, right? So
Yes.
0.25 whole square. तो कितना मिलेगा मुझे?
0.0625.
0.0625 मीटर स्क्वायर. ठीक है. हाँ, so I got this is a meter, this is a meter. तो अभी क्या करेंगे? What is going to find how much would spend for tiles? अच्छा, कितना spend कर सकते हो? Would spend
Per
for
dozen.
tiles if the cost of the tile is 360 per dozen. डजन के लिए इतना है. ठीक है. तो नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है. नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स, नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स. तो नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स कितना चाहिए मुझे? टोटल एरिया चाहिए पहले. ठीक है, टोटल एरिया कितना?
Tile area.
टाइल एरिया, वन टाइल एरिया, टोटल एरिया बाय वन टाइल एरिया. ठीक है, तो दैट इज व्हाट आई टोटल एरिया कितना है मुझे? 11.25 डिवाइडेड बाय वन टाइल एरिया.
0.0625.
0.0625.
So it will be 180.
सो कैलकुलेट
Yes.
करो इसको. 11.25 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 होल डिवाइडेड बाय 625 डिवाइडेड बाय
1000.
इसको 625 डिवाइडेड बाय,
It's 180.
10,000.
लेट मी राइट लाइक दिस. उल्टा हमने कैसे लिखेंगे इसको? रेसिप्रोकेटेड. सो 10,000 डिवाइड, कैन आई राइट लाइक दिस?
Into 1000 by 625. Yeah.
इधर 10,000 ना, 4 जीरो आना चाहिए.
1000. Okay.
Sir,
1000.
yes, sir.
हाँ देखो 25 fours, 25 25s, 25 ones, 25 fours, 25 5s. So 45 fours how much? 45 force.
45
45
force is
to
equal to 180.
45
one-
to 180.
180.
So 190. So 90 plus
So
90.
180 into 30.
180. So cast of कितना?
So
180 number
180
of
by
tiles.
12 we have to do first.
देखो
How
बेटा
many
ये
tiles
मेरा
we do?
180 tiles है, number of tiles. So how
Yes,
much
sir, we
given
have
that?
to.
Given that, yes, given that cost of 12 tiles. How much? 360. So
Yes, sir.
one tile 180 tile का कितना होगा? Then
So 180 by 12
Sir,
we can do
180 by 12 into
cost
360.
of 180 tiles. 12 tiles का तो इतना है, तो into ये 12 tiles. और अच्छा ये तो 360 into 180. 180 12 divided by कितना? 12. Isn't it?
Yes.
But आपको how I'm writing, look at this बेटा, मैंने लिख रहा हूँ ये 360 tile for 12. हमको कितना चाहिए? 180 का चाहिए, तो मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 180 से। भाई अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो ये एक डजन का 360 है, तो एक टाइल का 30 रुपए हो गया, ठीक है? सर नो ऐसा भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो, वन टाइल का से 30 रुपीज, सो 360 रुपीज फॉर 12 पीसेस, देन फॉर 180 पीसेस गेटिंग फॉर 180 पीसेस आई नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई 180, सो ये कितना हो जाएगा 30, सो 15 18 3 हाउ मच 54, तो 2 जीरो ऐड कर दो बस, खत्म। ये इतना वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन गाइस। ही हैज गिवन लिड, लिड का मतलब होता है ढक्कन, तो उसको भी इंक्लूड करना है। देखो लिड का मीनिंग पता होना चाहिए आपको। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, shall we go for the next question? Hello,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, next question.
next question. So edge of the 1 minute of time, make it fast. Guys, today I'll be taking only 45 minutes of session because I have another session. So I'm not actually today. You have physics class, I think. So Manu sir is not available, it seems. So instead of sir, I'm taking. So no problem. Tomorrow you will be Manu sir will be occupying your class, it seems. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If any other day, some other day, I'll occupy with this 15 minutes. Okay, but because but time is not able to adjust. I can't adjust the time. भाई
Can you scroll down to the next question?
Yes.
Sir, done.
Yes. Have you done? Have you done or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Go for the next one. Yes. What is the next answer? A closed iron tank 12 meter long, width given 4 meter deep. to be made. So determine the cost of iron sheet used at the rate of 5 per meter sheet. The sheet being 2 meter wide. How many of you solved this question? This one.
Done, sir.
Sir,
I sent the answer also.
So I've sent
Sir,
the answer also.
125%.
125%.
Yeah, I got it as
See,
50%.
परसेंटेज इंक्रीज इसमें देखो थोड़ा इसमें थोड़ा लॉजिक करना है आपको लॉजिक से देखो कैसा किया आपने एरिया ऑफ द क्यूब व्हाट इज एरिया ऑफ द क्यूब कुछ भी मान लो मैंने मान लिया x ठीक है मैंने मान लिया 1 लेट एज इज इक्वल x देन सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द क्यूब टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द क्यूब क्या होता है टोटल पूरा
That's 6x square.
6x स्क्वायर TSE ठीक है ये कितना हो रहा है 50% इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है तो 50% इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है दिस इज इंक्रीजिंग लाइक 50%
So 150 by 1
हाँ
1
हाँ 50% इंक्रीज मींस लाइक 100% ऑलरेडी है तो उसमें से 50 लेकिन इज ऑलरेडी 100% व्हिच मींस 150 व्हिच मींस व्हाट
So 3 by 2x.
देखो so तो how much so 100 150 उस by x divided by 100 so how much 0 0
3 by 2
3 by 2 times of x
x.
this is what my after increment which means new side I mean new
New height, sir. New side, whatever.
yeah new you say edge he is talking about edge new edge
Yes, sir, edge.
new edge ठीक है अरे रे क्या हो रहा है भाई एक मिनट हाँ new edge so find the percentage in guys everyone try to understand each step by step we are going ठीक है so this is a new edge so तो new edge मतलब new edge का surface area कितना होता है how much
sir,
That's 6 into 3 by 2 x whole square.
area of new edge so 6 into 3 by 2
3 by 2 x whole square.
x whole square तो 6 into 9 by 4 into
4
x square तो 2 3s 2 2s so 27 by 2 x square
Yes, sir.
देखो he is asking for find the percentage increase हाँ ये वाला one second थोड़ा let me create the space he is asking percentage increase in surface area what is the increase in surface area
So we can subtract the
Subtract,
new
देखो कितना
surface
like
area.
how much increment you got here देखो मेरे पास I had something this much and you know after increment I got this circle so how much increment you got means ये बड़ा में से छोटा निकाल देंगे तो वही तो पता चल जाएगा मुझे yes or no yes or no
Yes, sir.
देखो ये from this bigger circle if I subtract this you know this smaller one so this is what my increment ये जो बचा है इतना बड़ा हुआ isn't it that is the area people are able to imagine here मैंने थोड़ा common sense लगाना इधर ठीक है therefore increment yes I'm teaching this for the people who are not able to understand and who didn't able to solve this increment in क्या surface area तो how much so 27 by 2 x square minus 3 by 2 x so what would I get here so 4 LCM 4 not for 2 so how much
So why are we taking it from
sir,
3?
it's
Original minus
sorry
3 by
sorry
2x, right?
sorry so from that कितना 6x square
6x square.
6x square, sir.
my bad I'm sorry so कितना मिलेगा मुझे 4 20
15 by 2x square.
15 by 2 x square ठीक है मैंने 6 instead of 6x square I wrote 3 by 2 sorry yes इतना तो मिला मुझे इसका परसेंटेज निकालना है तो मुझे इतना मिला हाउ कैन आई जस्ट कैलकुलेट द परसेंटेज
Into
Sir,
100.
15 by 2 x square by
percentage increase
sir 15 by 2 x square by 6 x square into 100
Into 1 by 6x.
into
1 by
100
6.
into कितना
1 by 6.
1 by 6.
Square.
6 square.
1 by 6 x square ठीक है तो
H square cancel.
square तो
Yes, sir.
50 50 5 कितना
And
Sir, it is
3 2s 3 5
125%.
so 150 so 2 1s 225
yeah,
So
125% increase.
percentage
Yes, sir.
this is what a percentage increase ठीक है ठीक है बेटा, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Sir, done with the question.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू सॉल्व। नेक्स्ट
Done.
क्वेश्चन जाइए आप। क्या हुआ? What happened?
It's almost done, sir.
The send you
Okay.
the answer.
Yeah. No, you just go with this. Ravish wanted to make the next question. I am going to solve this question for the people who didn't get. Yes, I would call the names. Aditi, done beta. Aditya, have you solved Aditya? Aditya.
Yes, sir. I'm solving, sir.
Good. Bhargav, Jivika, Devasri,
Sir, I'm not
Shrayan, I don't see.
understanding any of these questions.
Sorry?
Sir, I'm not understanding a lot of these questions.
Why you are not able to understand them? What you are doing to us? Why you are not asking them? What is there to
Sir, I'm just
understand?
looking at your explanation. Sir,
Okay.
the question itself.
Question itself, the language of the question you are not able to understand.
No, sir, language is fine. I'm
Mhm.
not understanding how to do the solution.
No problem. So we'll take care. See, it seems that it is completely depends on how you are like visualizing the question. How you are visualizing the question is simply देखो थोड़ा हमने क्या करना है. See, there is every question like you have to use the common sense. ठीक है, common sense आप थोड़ा क्या
Sir, I sent you the answer.
Send the answer. Okay, देखो Sujay, no problem. You just try to ask me try to listen to me whatever I'm trying to say. You just ask whatever you feel. You just try to ask, no problem. Where you did not understand, tell me. Hello.
Sir, and this one, like how to go ahead with the question, the solution.
Yes. Look at this here. So a closed iron tank. I have a closed iron tank. Length, breadth, deep मतलब height. Deep कितना
sir.
अंदर है तो height. देखो imagine करना है, ठीक है? To be made, okay. Determine the cost of the iron sheet is used at the rate of this much, and sheet being 2 meter wide, ठीक है? So 2 meter wide.
So are we using the sheets to cover the iron tank?
No. What is determine the cost of the iron sheet iron sheet used at the rate of 5 per sheet. So 2 meter, this is the wide of that sheet. So with that sheet, what I have to do, I have to just make a tank with this height. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? देखो मैं एक डायग्राम बनाऊंगा, आपको तो समझ में आ जाएगा, ठीक है? So I enclosed tank, length है, he has given. So ये मतलब this is cuboid kind of, ठीक है? तो मैंने करूंगा ऐसा, डायग्राम डालो. So ठीक है, ऐसा एक वाला कुछ भी डायग्राम डालो, ठीक है? इतना. Okay, so he has given what? This length, this is 12 given, and wide, how much wide? This one, how much given? 9. Height, this one given, or like I said, this one 4. ठीक है? Yes, this is what he has given. Okay, so what is the total surface area? You know, for making this,
So
I would
2
just
into
huh.
LB plus
Yes.
BH
1
plus
second. Yeah. So determine the cost of the iron sheet. So this has been made up with what? Iron sheet. So Jay. Okay.
Yeah,
It has
okay.
been made up with iron sheet. So what? That you know what is at the rate of what? Per square meter? No, for meter. Per meter 5 rupees he is investing. Then sheet being 2 meter wide. Dekho, what is the meaning of this? So for
So it
entire
will be 10 rupees.
देखो for total, yes, for total like what is that? Total surface area, right? If I include total surface area, then only I can just calculate how much rupees I should invest there. So what is the formula for total surface area of the cuboid? 2 times of LB plus
LB plus BH
plus
plus
HL.
HL.
So 2 times L is what we type? 2 into 12 into 9 plus 9 into 4 plus 4 into 12. Okay, so 2 times of 12 is 12 9
108.
180.
36
108.
plus 48. So how much you get after this? How much you get? How much you got? Meter
192.
square. One
Sir, we'll get 192
200.
is 384.
192. 192 means 384. Okay.
384 meters
Ah.
square.
This is total surface area. Sujay, imagine. Are you able to imagine?
Yes, and now this I understood. Then we have to just
Yes. Look at this. What do you have to do now? Given. What he has given here? Width. Width. Wide matlab width, right? Breadth. Kitna width?
Yeah.
How much width?
2 meters.
Width. Width of the sheet is equal to 2 meter. Then I don't know length, right? What is the length?
No,
How can I
sir.
find out length?
No, sir, you
This
don't
is
know.
width is nothing but breadth kind of thing. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is area? Formula. What is area? Length into breadth, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sheet. Then yeah. So I need to find length here. How can I find out length? Length of the
Sir,
sheet.
Sir, 12 we can do for any of
Area
any
by
one of the.
area by breadth, right?
Yeah, sir.
What is area? Area. How much?
384.
I got the total area. By breadth, how much? How much given? Breadth is nothing but look, width
2.
he has given. 2. So how much I get, beta? Length.
So how is length to 384?
Not length. Area.
I mean area. How is area 384?
देखो, this is area, right? Total surface area. वही तो area होता है.
Sir, but it's only one sheet, right? For the one sheet, it's only one side of the triangle.
No. Actually,
In rectangle.
no. Not one side of the triangle. See this. Determine the cost of the. So what he has given? This length, this wide, this deep to be made. This has to made. This has to made with the help of that sheet. Okay, with the help of that
Okay,
sheet.
sir.
That sheet will be having some length and breadth, right?
Yes, sir.
You understand? That sheet will be having some length and breadth, right? By taking the help of that sheet. Let's say that you have a sheet like this.
Okay, it's a
This-
very big sheet. and
Very
we are
big
splitting it.
sheet.
Okay.
Yes, that is a question. आपको वो समझ में आना चाहिए.
Yes, sir. Now I understood.
तो ये देखो 1 मीटर का he has given what rate? Given
So, sir, now area divided by 5 rupees. No, the area divided by 10 rupees.
rate of 1 meter sheet. How much? How much? Rate of 5 per meter, right? 5. So 1 meter sheet. How much? 5 rupees. Then 192 को कितना होगा total cost?
5 rupees.
192 into 5.
190 into 5.
तो
Yes,
कितना हो
sir.
जाएगा? 19.5 how much? 19.5 how much?
960.
950 plus 2 5 10. So 960. ठीक है? Sujay.
Sir, I need to leave. Can I leave?
Yes. Even I to have class. So I think we will wind up the session now.
Can
And
you please scroll it up a bit?
yes, Piyush, can you please repeat again?
Sir, can you please show the question once? I just want to take a screenshot.
No, I'll share these notes. Need not worry. I'll share these notes, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, children. I have a class. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.